Hello students, pair of linear equation in two variables. We have to started the word problem. We have to in previous videos taken the speed problem, fraction problem, 2D number problem. So today we have to take the some more problems based on unitary method. What is unitary method? Unitary method means if suppose that if I say the cost of one toffee is 5 rupees. So what is the cost of 6 toffee? You can say 6 5 is 30. That is a unitary method. Means if one value given, find the value of other. 5, 10, 60, multiply them. If you say the cost of 20 chocolate is 100 rupees, so what is the cost of one chocolate? That means 100 upon 20, that means 5 rupees. So same process used to find the questions of pair of linear equation two variables by making two equations. So first read the question. The coach of a cricket team buy 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. Later he buy 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 7050. Find the cost of each bat and ball. So first thing, let the cost of each bat X rupees and each ball Y rupees. Bat X, ball Y rupees. So according to question, what say case first? The coach buy 7 bat and 6 ball for rupees 3800 rupees. If one bat costs X rupees, so 7 bat cost 7X rupees. It is the cost of bat. 7 bat plus 6 balls means 6Y, 6 balls. 7 bat and 6 balls cost make what? 3800 rupees. Equation first. Then what case second? Later buy 3 bats, 3x. Same unity method. 1 bat costs x, 3 bat costs 3x. 5 ball, 5y, that is 1750. Solve them. So by solving, you have to see them. They have no equal coefficient x or y. So we have to equal them by multiplying any numbers. So first equation multiply by 3, second by 7. Interchange the coefficient is a simple method to solve the equations by elimination method. So we have to write down equation first multiply by 3 and second multiply by 7. So you get 21x, 18y, 0, 0, 24, 4, 9, 11. Multiply by 7, 21x. We want the equal coefficient, we get 35y, 0, 7 for 35, 5, 3, 7 for 49 plus 3, 52, and 5, 12. Then equal coefficient and equal sign, same sign. So a same sign means subtract. So we subtract them. Minus, minus, minus. Cancel out. 35 minus 18. What do you get? 17y minus का. And here minus by 0, 5, 12 minus 4, 8, 0, 0. Minus minus cancel out. We solve here. So y is equal to 850 upon 17. You get 50 rupees. You get 50 rupees. means the cost of each ball is 50 rupees. Then put in equation first. What is first? This 7x plus 6 into 50 is equal to 3800. 7x is equal to 3800 minus 300. So x is equal to 3500 upon 7. X is equal to 7 35 500 rupees. Means each bat cost 500 rupees and each ball cost 50 rupees. Okay? I think after this step you know how we solve the equations by elimination method. Because in previous video you have to solve many questions by using elimination method. Main things how we form the equation. So unity method, very easy method, and these types of question examinations, board examination, 2 marks or 3 marks, because it's not a very hard problem. So pause the video, note down. Next we take the more examples. One more questions based on unity method. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and 100 rupees note only. Means she want only 2000 rupees but in two denominations, 50 rupees note and 100 rupees note, not other notes. Meena got 25 notes in all. Means total 50 and 100 rupees note, count them, so it make 25 notes. So how many notes it have? 50 rupees and 100 rupees she received. So unity method, but something different. What different? Let's see. Let the 50 rupees notes X and 100 rupees notes Y. Means 50 rupees X notes and 100 rupees Y notes she received. If I say read this line, he received, Meena got 25 notes in all. Means the counting of counting of 50 rupees note and 100 rupees note make 25. That your choice. You can make the case second first or case first. Why we take the case second first? Because it is easier to understand. Oh, simple. Something different is case first. If you have 3 notes of 50 rupees, 3 notes of 50 rupees, so how many rupees? 3 into 50. 7 notes of 50 rupees, 7 into 50. So if X notes of 50 rupees, so how many rupees? X into 50. So case first, amount from 50 rupees notes, that is 50x rupees. Amount from 100 rupees notes, that is rupees 100y. And according to question, total amount she received 2000. Means 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. 50 is divided to all. 50, 52 is 100, 50, 4 is 200, second equation, first equation and the second equation. Then solve both the equation and get the value of x and y. So write down x, y, 25. Already x coefficients are equal, so you can directly subtract. Why subtract? Because it has same sign. So subtract means change the sign of the second equation or lower equation. Plus change to minus, plus change to minus, plus change to minus. X cancelled. 2y minus y, y. So 40 minus 25, 15. Means 15 notes she receive of 100 rupees. Then put in first x plus 15 is equal to 25, x is equal to 10. Means 50 rupees notes, that is 10. 100 rupees notes, that is 15. You can note down, count them. 1500 plus 500 total make 2000 rupees. Okay. Pause the video, note down.